Hey everybody, Bird here, and I am in North Carolina at the Max Patch Bald, and it's the first time that I've had a 360 view where the top of the mountain is nothing but grass. They maintain it as a bald, and it is spectacular. The views, it's quite amazing. It's pretty windy up here, but the temperature is actually quite nice. A bit on the chilly side, but really not that bad. So I just wanted to give you a view, like I mentioned, a complete 360 view here at this point. I wish I could name whatever mountains are out there. It is, whatever the case though, it's just spectacular. You got a house over there, you got somebody's tenting here, it looks like tonight. Just the way the sun feeds off these mountains over here. Just spectacular. And like I said, the top of this whole thing is maintained as as they call it, a grassy bald. So really it's a view unlike any others that I've had so far. So it's quite a hike to get up here today, but should have a nice long downhill here for a while, and then in 2 days should be in Hot Springs, so I might get a hotel there. All right, hope all's going well, and I will send an update later. All right, peace.